This is a second video for the 72 Corvette power pump swap out. Dog seems to have joined us. Okay, basically we got the pump out of the car. The pump on the right over here is the used pump. That's the one I removed. This is the pulley from the pump. This is the housing or reservoir, I think it's also called. And I've got some valve parts down here. Basically, I believe I've discovered why the steering is hard on when the engine is running low RPMs. Compared to the new pump, the used pump has some play on the end shaft. You can see that coming up there probably. All right, got a little bit of end play, and then we look at our new pump and there's just none. There's no discernible movement whatsoever in that shaft. So basically what we're going to do now is reassemble the reservoir and valve and everything with the new pump assembly, and it also comes with its own new valve and magnet apparently. And to kind of give you an idea how the thing works, is my understanding anyway, the hole that we're looking through right now is very specific tolerance. The larger that hole is, the more volume that the pump will flow. It does not affect pressure. Actually, it reduces pressure now that I think of it. There's also a hole on the side, and I believe that's for regulating the pressure. It has something to do with the pressure. Obviously, I'm not an expert. I've just read some blog posts and trying to do my own repair here. So anyway, going to get this thing put back together. It would have been far easier to buy the pump already assembled rather than having to swap out the parts and put the old reservoir on the new pump and so forth. It's only a little bit more expensive, but it was not available within the next day or two, so I wanted to go ahead and get the thing knocked out this weekend. So a couple tips on getting the pump apart. There are a couple of bolts, these guys right here, and actually they go in this way. Just remove those guys, and then the fitting where the line connects is there. You'll have to remove all three to be able to get the reservoir off, and even when you do that, it may be a little bit difficult to remove it from the pump. Removing the pulley from the pump shaft, what I did was clamped on the pulley in a vise, and then just used the ratchet and socket to get the nut off. And it's this nut here. Be careful, and you'll need to make sure you don't lose that, or replace it would be even better. But when we get the thing put back together, we'll see if that fixes it, and hopefully it will go back on easier than it came off.